One owner, 2015 Acura TLX with advanced technology package. Backup camera, trunk mat, plenty of storage. Well maintained. Black leather interior, wood grain trim, power everything, memory driver's seat. 455 watt premium sound system with 2 screens, navigation, backup camera, steering wheel controls, lane keep assist, smart cruise, blind spot monitor, forward collision avoidance, a little over 123,000 miles. Heated seats, cooled seats, and a sunroof. Come on, check it out, guys. AU Cars, won't last long.